In this video, we are going to discuss about the tags in Git. Here, we will discuss about the tag, the difference between the tag and commit object, and the types of tags. Here, we will discuss about two types of tags, the lightweight tag and annotated tag. And also, we'll see the difference between them. Let us start. Generally, when we work in projects, the project lifecycle includes certain project milestones. These milestones include the deployment of the project in multiple environments like testing environment, performance environment, or production releases, etc. For each of these milestones, we need to have a snapshot of the code. So generally we make snapshots via commit objects. So we can use the commit objects to indicate certain milestones in a project lifecycle. But the problem with commit objects is it's very difficult to remember the hash of the commit object. So for this, we need to label these commit objects. So for that, we have a concept of Git tag. So Git tag will label the commit objects. So we can use these labels at different milestones of the project lifecycle. So here in the diagram, we can see there is tag 1 and tag 2, which are pointing to two commit objects at certain points of project lifecycle. So before discussing about these topics, let us try to understand about this tag in detail with an example. Here I have a testing directory. Let me initialize a Git repository here. So now this testing directory is a Git repository. For explaining tags, I'll create an example file in this repository. So here I have created a source.txt file with some content, initial file content. So now let us assume the project development is started and the development continues. So let us add this file to Git repository. So this file is added to the index. So let us commit this to the local repository. So the development is in progress. So let us add some more modification for the file. So let us add these modifications and commit the repo. So now the modification is also completed. So now let us assume that the development is completed and we are going to deploy this code in the test environment. Since this is a milestone for us, we can label this milestone. For that, we need to apply a tag for the latest commit. So we can get the log of what we have done till now. So this is the latest commit. Let us tag this commit. So for that, we can use git tag command. Here we need to provide the name of the tag. So I'm giving an example tag here. And then we need to provide the commit ID. So now we have tagged the latest commit. So we can also list the tag now. If we want to get more information about this tag, then we can use the git show command. So here we can give our development tag. So now we can see the detail about this tag. So now we have tagged for the development complete. As the testing progresses, we may need to do some modifications in the source code. So let us do some more modification. So now we have changed the source code during testing. We need to commit this file. So for that we need to add it. So I'm giving all option here. So now the testing will be in progress and the developers keep on changing the code until the testing completes. Assume that the developers fixed all the bugs. So let us add it to the repository. Let us get all the commits now. So here this is the latest commit. Let us tag this commit with a new tag. So let us create a new tag here. So I am giving test complete. So these naming conventions will be different for different projects, but I am giving some example tags. So we need to provide the latest commit here. Let us list all the tags. So now we have two tags now. One is dev complete and another is test complete tags. Similarly, we can create other tags at different milestones of the project. Now we have understood about the tag and we have seen how to tag a particular commit. So now let us see what is the difference between tag and commit. So from the diagram, we can see that a commit object will point to a tree object. So which is a snapshot of the repository at a particular point of time. and also the tags will be pointing to corresponding commit objects. So what is the difference between a tag and a commit object? Though we can use the commit objects as the milestones in the project lifecycle, but it is very difficult to remember the commit hashes. So that is the reason we'll create tags which will be pointing to the important commit objects which represents various milestones of the project lifecycle. So we also have some similarities of tags with respect to branches. So generally the branches also will point to the commit objects, but the branches are not fixed. A particular branch can point to any commit in the Git repository, whereas the tags are fixed. That means they will point to a single commit in a Git repository. So now regarding the types of tags, we have two types of tags, a lightweight tag and an annotated tag. Lightweight tags are nothing but they are just like a pointer to a particular commit. When we create a lightweight tag, it will not create a separate object for the tag. So it will create a tag reference that will act as a pointer to a particular commit. Whereas when we create annotated tags, the Git will create a separate object for the tag. So that object will in turn references the commit object. It also contains the required metadata, the name of the person, the date when the tag is created, etc. So the difference is that lightweight tags acts like a pointer to a particular commit object, whereas annotated tag itself is an object that in turn will reference the commit object. It also contains the required metadata about the tag. So generally in the projects, it is recommended to create annotated tags instead of lightweight tags. So now let's see about both the tags in the demo. We have already seen how to create a lightweight tag previously. So now let us see how to create the annotated tag. So let us see all the commits now. So now we have various commits here. Now we can choose any of the commits here for creating the annotated tag. So let me choose this one. So for creating the tag, so we can use the same command, git tags. So now we have to provide an option called -a. Then we have to enter the name of the annotated tag. So now we have to provide the commit, and then we have to provide the message. So let us create now. So now the tag is created. So now let us list the tags. So now we have 3 tags. So now we can describe this tag using git show command. Now we can see that it is also showing the tagger as well as the date in addition to the commit object. But if we describe the lightweight tag, this is not showing any metadata. So if you see here, this annotated tag is showing us the metadata, but the lightweight tag is not showing any metadata about the tag. So now let us go to the objects directory. So for annotated tags, we can see a new object is created. So we can go inside this directory. So this is a 40-bit checksum. The first 2 characters indicate the directory and the remaining 38 characters indicate the file. Now we can see the type of this object. So here we can see that this is a tag object. So we can print what are the details of this tag is having. So now we can see the content of this tag. Now it is pointing to a commit object. So this is a commit object, and also it is providing the required metadata about this tag. So in the case of lightweight tags, we do not see any objects created. So we can also see the references under .git directory. So here we can go to the ref section. So under this we have tags here. So these are the 3 references which are created for the 3 tags we have created till now. So we can see the content of these files. So let us see the content of the first lightweight tag. So now it is pointing to a commit object. So now if we see the content of the annotated tag, so now this reference is pointing to the tag object instead of commit object, because this annotated tag itself is an object. So we can see the content of this tag using git tag file. So here we can see this is the commit object which will be pointed by this tag object. Whereas in case of lightweight tags, they directly will point to the commit object. They don't have any separate tag object. So this is the difference between annotated and lightweight tags. So in this video we have seen what is a tag and what is the difference between a tag and a commit, and what are the types of tags, and their differences. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.